Moi kaikille! Tänään opimme Vuodenajat suomeksi. Today we will learn the seasons in Finnish. First of all, I want to give you some introduction regarding these seasons and months. And also I want to tell you that in the last section of this video, I give you a special tip or solution to memorize all the 12 months in Finnish easily and effectively. So please watch this video completely. There are 12 months and we have 4 seasons in Finland. So for the studying purpose, we divided months into groups. Each group has 3 months. Months, kuukaudet, that is plural. So kuukaudet. If you want to tell about 1 month, that is a singular word, kuukausi. If you want to tell seasons, that means plural, vuodenajat in Finnish. If you want to tell about one season, that is a singular word, vuodenaika. Let's look at each and every seasons. Talvi. Talvi means winter in English. Talvi has 3 months. It starts from December and ends in February. Please note that this is only for studying purpose. As you know, in Finland, we have longer talvi or winter. It lasts nearly 5 months. But for studying purpose, we study like this. Winter starts from December, ends in February. December means joulukuu. January means tammikuu. February means helmikuu. Talvella sataa lunta ja on kylmä. In winter it snows and it is cold. These are some words, basic words. Talvi, lumi, hiihto. Talvi means winter, lumi, snow, hiihto, ski, skiing. Or the next season is kevät, means spring. Kevät has 3 months. Maaliskuu, March, huhtikuu, April, toukokuu, May. Keväällä lumi sulaa ja kukat alkavat kukkia. In spring, the snow melts and flowers start to bloom. The basic words kevät, kukka, aurinko. Kevät means spring. Kukka means flower. Aurinko means sun. Let's look at the next season. Kesä, summer. Kesäkuu, June. Heinäkuu, July. Elokuu, August. Kesällä on lämmintä ja aurinko paistaa. In summer, it is warm and the sun is shining. Words are kesä, ranta, jäätelö. Kesä, summer, ranta, beach, jäätelö, ice. The next season will syksy, autumn. Syyskuu, September, lokakuu, October, marraskuu, November. Syksyllä lehdet muuttuvat punaisiksi ja keltaisiksi. In autumn, the leaves turn red and yellow. The words are syksy, lehti, sade. Syksy means autumn, lehti means leaves, sade, rain. Kerata, let's repeat. Talvi, winter. Kevät, spring. Kesä, summer. Syksy, autumn. Hienoa. Nyt osaat vuodenajat suomeksi. Great. Now you know the seasons in Finnish. There are some bonus words. Kuu means moon. Vuodenaika, singular. Season. Vuodenajat, plural. Seasons. Lehti, singular word. Leaf. Lehdet, plural. Leaves. Guys, memorize this funny story. The story is Tarzan put a helmet on and went to Maldives. People said, hurry up. Then they gave him toys and keys. Tarzan and his girlfriend Elo put their shoes on and locked the door, went to the market to buy Jordan shoes. This way, you can easily remember the 12 months in Finnish. Thank you for watching. Nähdään.